Hi guys, welcome to topic 5, lesson 3. Still busy with the business sectors. We are going to have a look at the tertiary sector. Now the tertiary sector is where goods is processed in the secondary sector and distributed to consumers. Tertiary makes the largest contribution to South Africa's GDP. I hope you still remember what that is. A range of institutions and activities are used to bring the products to the consumer. Important to note, tertiary sector brings the good to the consumer. Institutions include wholesalers. They buy goods directly from the primary or secondary sector and sell them to retailers. An example here can be Makro. Then we have retailers. They buy from wholesalers or agents and sell the goods directly to the consumer. An example here can be Pick n Pay. Now this also includes the following activities. So the following activities is all part of the tertiary sector. Transport, the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the wholesaler, the retailer and the consumer. Storage or warehousing, it is needed when business is waiting for sales to take place or when goods need further processing. Then we have financing, provided by the financial institutions such as banks when businesses need financial assistance to buy raw materials, products, machinery, or equipment. Remember, financing can not only be done by banks, it can come in the form of credit from your suppliers, etc. Then we have insurance. It is needed because manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers face risk when transporting products such as fires, storms, crime, etc. Remember, insurance can be taken out on trucks as well. So if a truck is hijacked and goods are stolen, the insurance will obviously cover that cost. Information, it is obtained from organizations and institutions about consumer needs, habits, and product usage. Then we have public services. It is the provision of water and waste removal provided by government. Remember, in the tertiary sector, it is still part of a service, so therefore public services are done or provided by the tertiary sector. Okay, I would like you to please do activity 2 on page 67. If you do not have your textbook near you, please send me a personal message so I can send you a photo of it. Okay, now we're quickly going to have a look at the links between sectors. Now, links refer to being connected. I would like you to think of a chain and how each part of that chain is connected to each other to make the whole chain. Okay, now it is important to note that services such as transport, storage, financing, and collection of information are not only part of the tertiary sector, but are also related to the primary and secondary sector. What this means is that each sector combines with each other to help each other do their part. This table here you can find on page 68 if it's not clear enough for you. Now the tertiary sector transports everything to the necessary sector. So basically, because tertiary has to do with transport, it works for the primary sector as well as the secondary sector, and therefore each sector is now connected to each other. Things from the primary sector can be transported to the secondary sector, and let's say in the case of corned beef or any tinned food, we get the food from the primary sector. It is then transported to the secondary sector, but the secondary sector still needs something else from the primary sector, such as iron deposits to make a can, and this is how the two are connected to each other. I hope it makes sense to you. If not, let me know. I will try to draw a picture for you to make it a bit easier.